Senior Health, discover the hidden power of turmeric for seniors. As we grow older, our body goes through many changes. Joints become weaker, digestion slows, immunity drops, inflammation increases, and many people begin to experience pain, stiffness, fatigue, and frequent illnesses. Modern medicine helps, but nature has also given us powerful gifts that can support our body in aging better. One of the most powerful natural treasures is turmeric. Turmeric is not new. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and daily cooking. Most of us already have it in our kitchen, but do we really understand how powerful it is, especially for seniors? Today, let's uncover the hidden power of turmeric for senior health, what it truly does inside your body, how it helps with pain, inflammation, immunity, digestion, brain health, and more. We will also discuss how to use it safely and when to be careful. Let's begin with something many seniors struggle with every day. Number 1. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation and joint pain. Inflammation is the root cause of many health problems in seniors. Arthritis, joint pain, knee stiffness, back pain, swelling, and even heart disease are linked to long-term inflammation in the body. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin acts like a natural anti-inflammatory agent. It helps calm inflammation, reduce stiffness, and improve comfort in movement. Many seniors who regularly use turmeric report better flexibility, reduced pain, and easier mobility. It doesn't work like a quick painkiller, but it supports long-term relief when used consistently. Number 2, turmeric supports strong joint and bone health. With age, cartilage wears out, bones weaken, and lubrication in the joints reduces. Turmeric helps protect joint tissues from damage. It also works together with calcium and vitamin D to support bone health. Seniors who walk less or have knee pain can benefit greatly from turmeric as part of their daily routine along with regular gentle exercise. Number 3, turmeric boosts immunity. As we age, our immune system naturally becomes weaker. This makes seniors more vulnerable to infections, colds, coughs, fever, seasonal illnesses, and slow recovery. Turmeric has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It helps strengthen the body's defense system. Regular turmeric intake can help reduce frequent infections and support faster healing. That is why even traditionally, turmeric milk or turmeric water has always been used during illness. Number 4, turmeric supports heart health. For many seniors, heart health is a big concern. Turmeric helps improve blood flow, supports healthy blood vessels, and may help in reducing cholesterol buildup. Its anti-inflammatory nature also helps protect the heart from long-term damage. While turmeric is not a medicine for heart disease, it is a powerful companion to a heart-healthy lifestyle, good diet, and medical care. Number 5, turmeric supports brain health and memory. Many seniors worry about memory loss, confusion, slow thinking, or risk of brain decline. Curcumin in turmeric has powerful antioxidant properties that help protect brain cells from damage. Some studies suggest turmeric may help improve memory, mood, and overall brain function. It may also support better focus and emotional balance. A healthy brain means more independence, confidence, and quality of life in older age. Number 6, turmeric helps control blood sugar and supports diabetes management. Many seniors live with diabetes or prediabetes. Turmeric helps improve insulin sensitivity and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. It supports the pancreas and helps control sugar-related inflammation. Again, turmeric is not a replacement for diabetes medicine, but it supports better sugar control along with proper diet, movement, and medication. Number 7, turmeric supports digestion and gut health. Digestive problems are very common after 50. Gas, acidity, bloating, constipation, and poor digestion become frequent. Turmeric helps improve digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, supporting gut health, and reducing irritation in the stomach lining. It also supports liver health, which plays a major role in digestion and detoxification. A healthy gut improves overall health, mood, and immunity. Number 8, turmeric helps with wound healing and skin health. Turmeric has natural healing and antibacterial properties. It can support faster healing of minor wounds, cuts, and infections. It also helps protect skin cells from aging damage. Seniors often face skin thinning, dryness, and slow healing. Turmeric supports the body's natural healing process and keeps skin healthier from the inside. Now, the big question, how should seniors take turmeric? The best and safest way is to include it in daily cooking. Turmeric used in vegetables, dal, curries, soups, and meals is easily absorbed by the body. Another popular method is warm turmeric milk at night. Many seniors also drink turmeric with warm water in the morning. However, here is something very important. Turmeric absorbs better when taken with a little black pepper or healthy fat like milk, ghee, or oil. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases curcumin absorption in the body. So turmeric plus black pepper is a very powerful combination. Another option is turmeric supplements, but seniors should only take supplements after consulting a doctor. Supplements contain concentrated curcumin, which may be too strong for some people or may interfere with medications. How much is enough? For most seniors, normal turmeric used in daily food is safe. If taken separately, a small pinch to half a teaspoon per day is usually enough for most people. Always start small and see how your body responds. Now, let's talk about precautions, because even though turmeric is natural, it may not be suitable for everyone. Seniors on blood thinning medications, such as aspirin, warfarin, or similar drugs should be careful, because turmeric also thins the blood. People with gallbladder stones or severe bowel problems need medical advice before using turmeric regularly. Those with severe acidity, stomach ulcers, or very sensitive stomachs may feel irritation if they take turmeric in large quantities. People with kidney problems should also check with their doctor because turmeric contains oxalates which may affect kidney stones in some cases. And most importantly, do not consume extremely high amounts thinking more is better. Too much turmeric can cause nausea, stomach upset, and complications. Moderation is always key. Now, here is something many people misunderstand. Turmeric is not magic. It does not work overnight. Do not expect instant results. Natural healing takes time. Regular, consistent use supports long-term health improvement. Many seniors notice benefits after weeks or months, not just 1 or 2 days. Also remember, turmeric alone cannot fix health problems if lifestyle is unhealthy. Joint health needs movement, stretching, and healthy weight. Heart health needs exercise, low salt, and proper care. Brain health needs sleep, social connection, and activity. Digestion needs fiber, hydration, and balanced eating. Turmeric works best as part of a healthy lifestyle, not alone. Let's also talk about something emotional and important. Aging should not feel like a burden. Seniors deserve comfort, dignity, strength, and joy in daily life. Sometimes even small natural habits like adding turmeric can bring big change in energy, mood, pain levels, and overall well-being. It is a reminder that nature still supports us even as we grow older. Turmeric has been trusted for generations. Our grandparents and ancestors weren't wrong when they used it for healing, immunity, strength, and recovery. Modern science is now discovering what traditional wisdom already knew. So what is the hidden power of turmeric for seniors? It fights inflammation. It supports joints and bones. It strengthens immunity. It supports the heart and brain. It improves digestion. It supports overall healing and aging. But the real power lies in using it wisely, safely, and consistently. If you are a senior or caring for a senior, ask yourself, are we using this natural gift regularly? Can we make small changes to health today? Can we choose nourishment over neglect? Your health is your strength. Your body has supported you for decades. Now it deserves care, comfort, and nourishment. Turmeric is one of nature's most loving gifts for senior health. But the real magic happens when you combine it with good food, regular movement, medical care, hydration, hope, and positivity. Growing older is not about losing life. It is about living better with wisdom. Take care of your health, respect your body, and allow nature to support you. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and may every day be healthier, happier, and brighter for you.